So we all know there is economic pressure in South Africa because of the tensions of Israel, Iran, and USA war, and it's just creating chaos for all countries in the world because it's like letting our stuff go up, like our transport, our food, our fuel prices, because just to get the necessity stuff here is costing the country a lot of money. So now they have to put the prices up. So it's going to affect a lot of households also. And now a lot of youngsters are moving rather to Johannesburg because it's better jobs there and it's cheaper to live there. And now what City of Cape Town also did, they went to go put some rules out about solar panels that you must still register and a whole lot of drama. When they already see this whole crisis is going on and now you have to now register and do a lot of things just to get solar panels also.